This is an entry 1 functional skills maths paper from NCFE. It's split into 2 parts. In the first part you can't use a calculator, but you can in the second part. Activity 1, working in a museum. Alex works in a museum. Alex needs 16 name badges for the museum workers. He has these name badges. Does Alex have enough badges? Give a reason for your answer. So let's just count them. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So does Alex have enough badges? Yes. It's 17. So 17 badges. Badges come in different shapes. Which of these shapes is a circle? Tick your answer. So this is a circle. I'm going to tick B. A is a square, C is a triangle, and D is a rectangle. But we don't need to specify those. That's just for information. Alex has 12 stickers for the badges. He uses 8 stickers. How does Alex work out how many stickers he has left over? So he has 12 and then he uses 8. To work out how many he has left over, it's going to be 12 take away 8. And that is shown here in option D. The rest of the options are not correct. 16 people work in the museum. 7 of these people are men. The rest are women. How many women work in the museum? So we have 16 people in total. 7 of them are men. So 16 take away 7. That's going to work out how many women. Now you might be able to do this mentally, and it's going to give you 9. You might do it using your fingers, or you might just draw 16, even just dots or circles, whatever you want. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And then you can just cross out 7 of them. 5, 6, 7. And it's 9 of them left. This is the end of the first part. This is the second part of the paper, and now you can use a calculator. Activity 2, pictures. Alex works in rooms with pictures. There are some pictures on a wall. Alex cleans the widest picture. Which picture does Alex clean? Tick your answer. But the widest of them all, as you can see, is this one, so option C. The rest of them are narrower than this. Alex cleans 4 rooms, room 15, room 12, room 19, room 14. He cleans the rooms in order. He starts in the room with the largest number. Write the room numbers in the order that Alex cleans them. So, largest number out of them all is 19. Then after the 19 we'll have 15, then 14, then 12. If you find this hard, you could write the numbers from 1 to 20 and look at them backwards and see which ones these are. That might help. So circle these numbers there. I'll show you what I mean. So if I do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, goes up to 19, doesn't it? So I can circle now the numbers that I've got there. So I've got 15, 12, 19, 14, 15, 12, 19 and 14. Starting with the largest, so we've got 19, 15, 14 and 12. Alex puts a card under this picture. Tick the box where Alex puts the card. So it says under. That will be here. So it's not above or to the right or to the left. It's under. Alex puts new pictures on a wall. Which picture is to the right of birds? Tick your answer. So, to the right of birds, there is birds. To the right is foxes. So, we're going to say foxes by ticking D. Alex works every day from Wednesday to Friday. What's the missing day? So we've got Wednesday, then will come Thursday, and then Friday. So Thursday is the missing day. Activity 3, lunch. Alex goes to lunch. Alex starts his lunch break at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Which clock shows 1 o'clock? So A shows 11 o'clock, B shows 1 o'clock, C shows 10 o'clock, and D 2 o'clock. So option B is the correct one. Alex wants to buy a salad for lunch. He has £3. Which salad can Alex buy? So let's look at salads. We've got small salad and large salad, and then finally chicken salad. With £3, Alex can buy only the small salad. So we're going to say small salad. Alex pays for his lunch with this note. What value does this note show? So as you can see, it is £10. Seth works in the restaurant at the museum. He keeps a tally of the meals he sells. He sells 11 lamb meals. Complete the tally chart. So lamb, it's 11. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Seth has 13 bottles of water in the restaurant. He buys another 5 bottles. How many bottles does Seth have in total? So already 13. He buys another 5. So if we do this using the calculator, so 13 add 5 equals 18. Activity 4, visitor. Alicia visits the museum. The clock shows the time Alicia arrives at the museum. What time does the clock show? So looking at the shorthand, that tells us the hours. That is pointing at 4. So this is 4 o'clock. Alicia sees this list of floors. The list shows which floor each picture is on. So we've got battle, floor 4, horse, floor 3, roses, floor 6, ships, floor 2, tulips, floor 1. On which floor is the picture called roses? That is floor 6. Alicia looks at a column and a bowl in the museum. The column and the bowl are made of the same type of stone. What does Alicia say? Tick your answer. The column is heavier than the bowl. The column is lighter than the bowl. The bowl and the column weigh the same. The bowl is heavier than the column. Well, the column is much bigger, so it's going to be heavier also. And we know that from everyday life. So we're going to say option A is the correct one. The column is heavier than the bowl. Alicia sees these jars in the museum. Tick the white jars. So we've got one white jar there, here. So it's 3 of them at the moment. Got another one here. And some more. Yeah, so all of these white ones been ticked, but not the black ones or grey. Alicia sees this chart in the museum. New pictures delivered to the museum. We've got a number of new pictures. We've got the months, June, July, August and September. How many new pictures were delivered in July? So we're looking at July, goes up to 10. Alicia visits the museum in May. She will visit again in 3 months. In which month will Alicia visit the museum again? So Alicia visits in May. Then after 1 month it will be June. Then July. And then August. So 1, 2, 3 months. We're going to say August as the final answer. And this is the end of the paper.